In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create stunning photo booth templates in minutes. No Photoshop or advanced design skills required. Everything can be built directly in our easy-to-use online editor. You'll learn how to load a template, change text, and add all kinds of images, whether they're your own or from our giant library. Inside, you'll find many categories and subcategories, including balloons, butterflies, flowers, lights, neon, numbers, and more. Let's get started and create something easy and fast. Click the Templates and Images button. In this tutorial, we'll load a template from our library, where you can find thousands of designs. Simply choose a category and subcategory to view all available templates in that section. Once you find what you're looking for, simply click it to add it to the editor. We recommend always importing with layers. Why does this matter? It loads every layer of the template for editing, so you can change text, move elements around, and drag layers into the positions you want. Now we have the template loaded and ready to edit. In this case, we have the title layer, which is the Our Wedding text, along with the bride and groom text layer. We also have design layers such as flowers, which can be deleted and replaced with a different style of flowers if you prefer. So let's first select the bride and groom layer. Now to change the text, you'll need to double-click on the text layer. Now select the entire text and change it to your event details. Click anywhere outside the template area to deselect the text. This is important because it exits text editing mode and applies your changes. Now click on the layer and adjust its position as needed. Keep in mind, you also have the ability to change the text style, text size, color, and text shadow. Make sure to reposition your text layer if needed, since changing the text style or size can affect its placement. Now let's say we want to add a balloon to the template. Let me show you how. Change the category to Browse Extra Images. Then select the Balloons subcategory to view all available options you can choose from. Now select the image you like and click on it to load it into the editor. Now that the balloons are loaded, click on the layer and resize it bigger or smaller by dragging any corner of the layer. When you're satisfied with the size, simply drag it into the position where you want it to go. Now we have a slight issue. Since the balloons layer was added last, it automatically becomes the top layer and sits above every other layer. So we'll need to bring the bride and groom text layer and the Our Wedding text layer forward so the balloons appear behind them. Let's click on the bride and groom text layer first. Then click the Bring Forward button as many times as needed to make sure it appears on top of the balloons. Now do the same for the Our Wedding text layer. Click on it, then use the Bring Forward button as many times as needed until it appears on top of the balloons. Now if everything looks good, you can publish to save your work. Once it finishes processing on our end, you'll be able to download it immediately to your device, edit it, and make more changes if needed. Go to Workspace or start creating a new project. Once you're in Workspace, you can click on the three dots to see the options available for that template. With this particular template, you can do several things on our system. You can download, rename, or edit it again. One of the best options is that you can also add this template to your virtual photo booth event as a 3-photo booth template, so it matches your actual booth experience. This means people can load it on their phone and add images from anywhere they are. How cool is that? It's a great add-on you can offer to make even more money from a client. You can also add this template to your flipbook photo album as a frame. To add a template to a video guest book, it must be a 1-photo frame, so in this case, this template cannot be added there. As you can see, the next button shown here says Share with User. On your end, it will say Share with Admin. This option is there in case you need any help or have issues with the template, so we can check it, make adjustments, and send it back to you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. We hope it helps you create amazing templates on our platform quickly and easily. If you have any questions or need help with anything, you can always reach out to us by clicking the bottom right contact icon on the website.